Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video we are gonna go on a boat ride to Isla de Ballestas, where we will see some penguins and sea lions as well as some dolphins. So don't miss this video. So you have to pay an entry fee of 5 sols, that is apart from the money that you paid for this tour. So here is the captain who put Google Maps in his phone so he can navigate into the sea. So he is our guide. We all are hot here, but he was wearing the jacket since morning. When I asked him why is he wearing a jacket, is it so cold, he said that this is the moment where it will be windy. Look here, we have the sea lion. So at Isla de Ballestas we got to see some sea lions and also tiny penguins. So it is a must thing to do when you are in Paracas. This is the National Reserve of Paracas, for which we paid 17 sols. And you can see this is a unique place in Peru where you have this red mountain. In world there are totally 5 such red beaches. One is in Morocco, another in Mexico, one in Greece, the other one in Peru, which is this one, and one more in Hawaii. $320 million years ago, when the Gondwana land was present, and due to the movement of the tectonic plates, the sea emerged here. Earlier there was no sea, and these mountains that you see, they were of an altitude of more than 3,000 meters, and now those all mountains, they are gone. This red mountain that you see in front, but submerged in water as well. can see here and also read about this. This is very interesting story about our continents, how they were formed. First it used to be one single landmass called Pangaea, then it broke into two continents, Laurasia and Gondwana lands, separated by Tethys Sea, and later again this is the present day where we have multiple continents. This beach is called as Playa La Mina because there used to be some coal mines here. You will be able to spot some cavities which were used for mining coal, and hence the name Playa La Mina. In order to enter at Playa La Mina, you need to show the tickets, which were 17 sols. So guys, I'm done with my tour in Paracas and now heading towards Lima. I got dropped near the bus stand and now I'll look for a bus to Lima.